Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another monthly favorites. I can't believe that April is over. I feel like April happened really quickly. I feel like now it's just like springtime and the weather's finally nice. Everything's actually blooming now in Boston, which is great. The Boston Marathon happened like 2 weekends ago. It was a little bit crazy. The weather is still like, it just still rains a lot. It's, April showers bring May flowers. But there's hasn't been too much going on with me lately. I'm still training to run that 5 mile race next month. The favorites this month I think has gone back to a little bit more like beauty and skincare stuff. I feel like some of the stuff I've had here I've had for a while, but I just forgot to mention them in an earlier favorites, or some are a little bit newer. But let's get started. I'll start off with my Beats Solo 3. I got these in the matte gold. I think I actually got these in February when like the weather was terrible and not relevant, but these were on sale. And these are actually my first wireless headphones and I love them. They were a little bit pricey, but I love the color. I know it says matte gold, but I feel like it's a little bit more like a blush pink. I'll like do a close up, but I love these. I don't use them to work out because I don't think they're waterproof. I really like them because they connect to like my iPhone and other Apple stuff and my TV really easily. And it's not noise canceling, but because of the padding, it does like help to block out a lot of noise. Sorry about the siren there. It's just like, it's really good with sound. I feel like you hear the bass a lot clearer. So I recommend these if you are in the market for new wireless headphones that are a little bit like more fancier, I guess, because I bought another set of like wireless headphones just for running and they're okay, but these are like really nice because they're just like hands-free, which makes like cooking and just walking around a lot easier. So definitely recommend these. Okay, so my next favorites are kind of like a set. I got this actually in a gift set. It's the Verb Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. So I got these like in a set with a comb, I remember. I think I got this like actually in March, but I've been using them nonstop and I really like them. I don't really do a lot of styling or like stuff with my hair. Actually, my hair is kind of a mess today. I don't do a lot with those. I think I just like to keep it really just like shampoo, conditioner. I'll do an occasional hair mask and I'll do like leave-in conditioner because I do occasionally like blow dry my hair or straighten it. But I like these a lot. I don't feel like they weigh me down. I feel like my hair still has a lot of volume when I use these. Sometimes that can be an issue when I use like hydrating like hair care because it'll just sort of weigh down my hair. But I find that these to be really great. It smells really good. It's not really overpowering, really creamy. And I thought it was a pretty good like deal for the size. I don't really use a comb that much if I'm being honest, but it's my first time using this brand. And I think I will definitely repurchase these. So the past year, I haven't been great about putting SPF on my face. I feel like I just kind of stopped because I work in an office and I just sort of like wasn't great about it, but I realized that I really should be. And I think part of it was like my skincare. I was using like something to put on top of my moisturizer. And I used to use something that like a moisturizer with SPF in it. And I think because I like was lazy and it's in the morning, I'm always like in a rush. I think having SPF in my moisturizer is a better step for me than like using a moisturizer and then an SPF on top, if that makes sense. So I decided to give the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream Sunscreen a try. This is SPF 30. I really like this. I still like do my serums and my oils and toner and all of that, but I feel like having this really helps just because it's already like a moisturizer. It's pretty thick. It's like, because it comes in a jar. I wouldn't say like if you have super dry skin, this would like moisturize properly. And I've only started using it for the past, I want to say month or so. So I don't know how well this would do in winter, but I feel like it's fine for warmer months like now. But I feel like better now that I'm putting SPF on my face again, especially because of like, I'm out in the sun more, the weather's nicer, the days are longer. So if you're not putting SPF on your face and your body, you should. I highly recommend something like this. So this is probably the newest of my stash. I got this during the Sephora sale, the VIP Rouge sale, so I got like 15% off. This is the Nars Fort de France highlighter. I've been hearing so much about this that I finally decided to give it a try. It's really, really beautiful. I've been going through like a highlighter craze lately. I have way more highlighters than any person needs. I have them in like a lot of the same colors, but I don't really care. So this is a powder highlighter, but it goes on really creamy on the skin. And I would say it's almost like the powder version of the Glossier quartz highlighter, if that makes sense, because this is like, it's so subtle and it's kind of like a creamy champagne color that it's really hard to like overdo it. I just use like a powder brush and just like brush it on my cheekbones. I'm actually wearing it now. But I like that it's really easy to use. Like, I like that you don't have to worry about like overdoing it and putting on too much, because I use highlighter almost every day. So it's kind of nice to like do this and not to worry too much about like looking like a disco ball. So I really like this. I always love the Nars packaging. I plan to get a lot of use out of this. I love the color so much, and it's so creamy. I feel like it'll be good on a lot of skin tones. So I'm really excited to add this to my stash. So if you saw my Everlane video, my Everlane obsession video, I'll link it up here, you will know that I am a huge Everlane fan, and I recently picked up their underwear. So I picked up the bikini and the tank bra. I am looking forward to trying their other like underwear ranges. But if I'm being honest, like the bikini is great, but it's not really like that different from other underwear that I've tried. But I appreciate that that they have them now. But I wanted to bring up the tank bra. This is so comfortable. I'm definitely getting like another set. It's in the laundry right now. I'm not gonna bring it out. I'm not gonna wear it. I'll put like the Instagram post that I put up in here. But it's just so comfortable. It's not too tight. I took it in my normal size small. I probably could size down a little bit, but I'm happy with the small because I feel like it doesn't feel like I'm really wearing a bra, which is what I like. It's not padded. It doesn't have wire, which is exactly what I'm looking for. I think the panel in the front is like lined, and then the back panel is a little bit thinner, if that makes sense. So I got it in the black. I think I'm gonna go back and get it in like a lighter color, maybe a gray or the light pink, but I think they've been selling out a ton. I don't know why I held on to the box, but I like the packaging that it came in. I would definitely recommend checking it out if you don't like a lot of like foo-foo in your underwear. It's just like it follows that Everlane aesthetic of being really minimalistic and simple. So I recommend this if you don't need, I guess, like a lot of support, or you don't want a lot of support and you don't like wires or padding. I'm really over like that part. I haven't worn like a padded bra in years. I don't know if that's TMI, but yeah, Everlane tank bra. Another thing, I think Everlane just started international shipping. So if you're intrigued or just like want to see more of their stuff, definitely give their website a go. I'll link everything down below. Okay, my last favorite is another household item. I don't remember the name of this, but it's from IKEA. It's a watering can. I'm sure you've probably seen this somewhere else before if you're into like gardening or if looking up like blogs that do that. But I thought this was ceramic, but it's actually like metal. And I like the wooden handle here. I like this a lot. Now I'm up to 12 plants, and it's kind of hard to like keep getting a mason jar to fill up, and just makes it a lot easier. It's a little bit harder with this for like my tiny succulents, but this has been great. I water my plants about once a week. I make it a point like every Saturday to water them. Some need a little bit more like TLC, but I feel like this, it's kind of nice to display on its own, which is kind of why I bought it. Now it's functional, and I think it looks pretty. So I've really been into this. I've probably had this for about 2 months now, and I'm finally giving it its proper shout out. Thank you for sticking around till the end. April has been like a crazy month. I feel like I've been pretty busy this month with work and just like with a lot of events going on. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to May. I'm looking forward to racing. I don't have a vlog coming up this month for April. I feel like I just sort of let that slip by. But I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the weather. And I'm gonna water my plants now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.